Welcome to Arcane Explained, episode 3. We're going to be talking about the symbol of this, the math for this symbol. Okay, so this is just a geometrical pattern done in a very large complexity, but what it really is it's a polygon. The polygon, like for example, when you make a square bigger and you make other polygons, the more they become circular, and the more they want to be circular. So this is just 192 polygon with every point touching every point. Now, there's a difference between a recreated and a point-to-point. A recreated is like the flower of life that gives us it's recreated within itself, okay? And I have examples on my webpage and everything else like that, showing you recreated and showing you the point-to-point. Now this point-to-point gives us stuff like the surveillance electron orbit of copper and silver, okay? And it shows a couple other points in there of how the electrons actually move. Now, when this is completely done, it'll be a black dot, okay? That's all it'll be. It'll be a black dot, and when we get every point touching every point, it'll be a black dot. So it seems kind of weird, but that's what it does in itself. In fact, how we really have to look at it is that we took a proton, a sphere, or like an orange, and we cut this orange in half, and then that's what we get. We get this. Okay, so it's like we took a proton in half, we cut it, and that's what we get. So showing that all the patterns that we would see are geometrically done and can geometrically be shown in this pattern and other patterns too, and technically, you know, to 288. But I chose 192 because of it's a good stopping point where a lot of really powerful numbers reach it. Okay, so especially if 8, 6, and 4 can go into it, and 192 is 8 times 6 times 4, so it's a beautiful thing. But no matter how big we get these things, even if we go all the way up to infinity, in the end, 0 was always perfect. It was always what we're trying to get to, and we'll get more into that into the next couple episodes. So that's the end of episode 3, understanding this symbol and understanding what it truly means. Now, we should also understand that this symbol causes drag on the magnetic sphere as well. So you can use it as a tool, as a giant dream catcher, and stuff like that as well. Okay, thank you for watching episode 3, Math of the Symbol.